Peace, love, and light. What's up, y'all? Let me cut this off. So let peace, love, and light, man. Healing through inspiration. I'm over here just making some hot white tea, doing some freaking thinking, dog. And it just freaking hit me, cause I was watching the interview. Somebody I used to watch, and I see how them doing well, and there was somebody else. This was another sister. They both used to like film together. And regardless of the fact is that, like, I saw in the interview, she was talking about, like, she saw, because they used to do, like, like skits back in the day, and they're really silly and ever. And the thing about that, in order to get to that certain place, because it was like a hood type thing, you had to go to a dark place, like a dark place. And that was just the rare, the realness of it. And I know that, but I think people don't necessarily understand the concept of just going back to certain previous parts of yourself, in a previous part that you may have been, I guess, it may be normalized in society because that's how people are and how they act. And I'm just thinking back because, it's how it's just reflecting on me. I'm just thinking of the narcissist, the friend who was a narcissist across from me, both of them, like, they wanted to be me. They wanted to be me. And so with that being said, since them wanted to be me, they what you say? Well, they wanted to be me. They wanted to how you say frick. Wanted to steal like a character and still try to act as if though they were being me, but then they didn't want to necessarily make any change. It was rather depleting, but the only thing that I did get on leniency because I thought they were young. But to the realness and the severity of the actions I explained, of course, in previous stories. Go look back. And actually, I think yesterday, I heard someone say, "Hey, what's up?" And then they said my name. And said, "What's up?" I'm like, I think I heard somebody, and I looked, and I heard, I don't know if she was talking to somebody else, but I heard it was like a lot of people out of the building, so I didn't know who was talking about, who said who. I was taking on my dog. I think it's about yesterday or either 2 days ago. And as I was before I even made my tea, I was getting ready to make my tea. I was just like, I really know that, hey, nigga, I gotta get the frick up out of here. Like, I'm tired of this. Today, as I was walking my dog back, I see through at the laundry room my biological father at the dryer, and it was literally there. And I was like, oh shit, I guess I gotta walk around. I said, let me go, whatever. So then I was like, do I look or not? Whatever. Because, I'm just tired of the narcissist. So then I go and I look left, and I look, and I got close. I saw it wasn't even him. I saw through the glass. As I walked across the glass, I saw, look at the guy. It wasn't even him. I said, wow, how close? I mean, but it's just kind of like, what the frick, man? The real thing is, I shouldn't even be around something like this. Like I said, there's too many dang narcissists. It is very difficult for me because I've been trying to get things in a place, and it's like, oh, don't rush. But then it's like, hey, man, I'm staying at a freaking hotel. I'm using my own bread here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Using my own freaking bread here. I feel like I'm wasting it here. And I'm in a place I don't want to be at. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. It's freaking ice cold here, nigga. I'm the tropical people. What the frick is the tropical man doing over here in ice cold? Don't make a bit of sense. And nigga, I'm trying to get my stuff so I can just go out of state. Like, nigga, frick, this all this, man. And it's kind of like, too, I've been very stressed. I've been very, very stressed out, and I've been alluding to previous unbeneficial activities as far as in order to keep myself distracted as far as what I do. to make myself distracted, you know. And I notice that's one of the things I've been fighting with as far as when it comes to stress. And it's just like, God dang. And it's like, too, when you get stuff like